So green light, it's very unflattering for Asian skin tones, very unflattering. We all look like hantu. Blue light, it makes us pale and washed out. Go with warmer tones like red, orange, yellow. In this case, I'm going with like a purple. So it's in between cool and warm. It's a purple. Get my framing. Okay, so those who can see my screen, you see how I'm framing this? If I see something behind her head, I will move around to make sure it's not weird. If not, you see those two lights there? You don't want her to have like Mickey Mouse ears like that, right? So you always pay attention to the entire frame and how, how the final picture is gonna look. Nor do I want her like wearing the like a hat. Yeah, it's quite funny. I mean, this is something Ivan would do, but I don't do that to my subjects. Yeah. Okay, so, you know what I'm talking about, right?
What is the camera detecting the eye?
Yeah, so it's auto.
Oh.
Yeah, autofocus. Okay, so this purple you see is like picking up highlights in the face. We don't want that. Yeah, so again, it's all about the lighting. So the angle of the light. Okay, hold it there, Angel. Let's try and get this right. Yeah, I'm not loving this. Super bright. Yes, yes it is. Yeah, I'm not loving this either. Good. The important thing is to make your subject look, make anyone look good. It must be flattering. So if the skin tone doesn't quite gel, just move the light away. Okay, hold it there. We're almost there. So 1, 2, okay, let's see. There. Yes. Okay, so first shot. First and only shot I took of Angel. There. So I like to play with lights and I like to play with lighting colors, but if it doesn't work, I'll move on. In this case, especially when we're not under a professional setting, I don't have a makeup artist on hand to, brush off shine on the face. So I will have to move my lighting around to make sure it doesn't reflect. So that's the key thing. When you take pictures of people, make them look make the picture look as flattering as possible. If it doesn't, just delete it. I don't like taking ugly pictures of people. It's not nice. Yeah. Okay.